guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going for a Sunday brunch. We are going to Air, which is at Four Seasons Worli, and
it's our anniversary, so I'm taking you there. वो तो बताओ पहले.
doesn't remember. He's just making this up. मैंने अभी याद दिलाया 5 मिनट पहले. You will see in his videos intro, हाँ guys. But anyways, we are going to this place. It's supposed to be very fancy. It's supposed to be very nice. And अभी 4 महीने हो गए शादी होके. पर मैं बॉम्बे में कोई रूफटॉप रेस्टोरेंट नहीं गई हूँ अब तक. So that's why I'm more excited to visit this place and sort of see the view over there. And let's see how the food is. I've been to Four Seasons before. We've gone to Opus for their Sunday brunch. So let's see how Air ka food is for this Sunday. So let's go. Let me show you what it looks like.
Opus का menu और Air का menu is completely different vibe. This is a boozy Sunday brunch where there is a lot of alcohol flowing.
Which Vidur is not going to be drinking because he is driving.
A lot of alcohol flowing, good music playing, the great vibe and everything. So excited to take my wife.
Go! Let's go. We have reached Air and I'm going to show you around the place. It looks absolutely stunning. There's so much of natural light coming in and I can see the sea in front of me. So let's go, let's see what Air looks like. I'm sure you guys are going to like how this place looks too. It's a perfect for brunch, of course, and even if you're looking to get someone for a date, it's an amazing place. I'll take you guys first to our table. I hope this music doesn't get me copyrighted. तो ये हमारा टेबल है. अभी फिलहाल तो बॉम्बे में जो कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है उसी का व्यू है. But other than that, it looks absolutely stunning. And this place is nice and long. It's all the way here. And the seating here also is quite similar. It's done so well. I love the couches. I love how laid back the seating is. And every table in the house has a view of the sea, so that's really nice. It's a very beautiful looking place. अब मैं ज़्यादा बात करूँगी और शायद आपको सुनाई भी ना दे क्योंकि मेरा कॉपीराइट इशू हो जाएगा म्यूजिक के साथ. We have a few small plates over here. There's a bunch of things that go on the side and I think they serve everything else on the table. So we'll be ordering and I'll be showing you guys what we order. But right now we have a few things here like, you know, the hummus and the marinated olives, cheese to start off with your drinks basically. Things you do for fashion. आज मैंने ऐसा टॉप पहना है कि मैं मेरा हाथ ऊपर नहीं कर सकती हूँ ढंग से because the whole top goes up then it does not look very nice. But I love my outfit, so let's not discuss that any further. I'm not complaining, but this is what the menu looks like. So basically you can order from this and the food will come to your table. This is the entire brunch menu. There's a lot of things. There's Japanese, there is some Italian and, you know, like a mixed cuisine sort of situation here as well, so that there's something for everyone. And let me show you what it looks like roughly and then I'll show you guys what I'm eating. So yeah, I'm hungry now. So if you're vegan, then this place is somewhere where you can definitely come. They have a lot of plant-based options. Then they have cheese, there are sushi platters, salads, there are some more vegetarian appetizer platters. Then they have this, I'm very excited for the avo toast. Then this pangaza pizza sounds amazing because I love good parmesan and I guess there will be mushroom because it says pangaza, but let's see. And there are a bunch of entrees. As you can see, there's a little bit of Indian as well. There's dal makhani, there is stir fried basil, there is risotto, there is rice, there's noodles, there's lots of stuff. And then here are our desserts. Looks, is this a carrot cake or is this something else? Because if this is the carrot cake, I'm definitely eating it. Last time in Opus, we had one of the best carrot cakes we've ever eaten. It was so good. And if you are someone who enjoys a good drink, then you should definitely check the drinks menu out. The husband is here. He is vibing. नीचे गया था विदुर अपने sunglasses लेने. Right now it's construction view and beyond that is sea view.
That's the new
Coastal road. Oh, say what?
The new coastal road. That's Haji Ali सामने.
Oh, yeah, there.
That's Haji Ali.
Let's order, let's eat and let's enjoy this panoramic brunch. I picked up some hummus, some herb mushrooms, water chestnut and olives to have with my mocktail. My mocktail is called Stormy Mood and it's looking really pretty. Vidur ka bhi drink aa chuka hai. He's also ordered a mocktail. I can't remember the name. And my avocado toast is here, which I am ready to eat. My sushi platter is here. I have 3 different types of sushi on this. This one is an inari sushi, and I absolutely love inari sushi. The wrapping is made out of soy, so बहुत tasty होता है ये. And this is my view as I enjoy my lunch. Drinks are here. Both are mocktails, by the way. ये विदुर के appetizers है. It's quite a task for me today with this loud music and my mic is not having it. But I'm gonna taste test one or two pieces of sushi for you guys on camera. So I think this is the asparagus cream cheese in like the blue pea rice. It looks really nice and so good. I love it. It's very nice. I want to have the inari one on camera, but वो नीचे से खुला है. मैं उठाऊंगी तो सारा गिर जाएगा एक हाथ. I'm gonna eat the inari sushi and show you guys. I know this camera angle is very bad, but abhi now I haven't got my tripod, so let's just do with it. Here goes. It's nice. It's got a bit of a sweet taste, but अच्छा है.
नजर नहीं लगे.
We are having the double chin ankle today.
Yeah. Not a big fan of this ankle, but
No,
yeah.
it's not that bad. It's nice.
My wife likes it, so I'm okay.
So my pizza is here. It's called Fangaza, and Vidur ka ek mocktail ek aur aaya hai, which is damn good. Let me try the pizza and tell you guys what the pizza is like. Let's get a bite of the pizza. It's called Fangaza. It's supposed to have caramelized onions on it, which I can see very few of because I had told them I don't like onions very much, so kam dalna. And इसपे marinara sauce नहीं है, and this has a topping of mozzarella and parmesan. So let's eat. It's a bit on the blender side. I wish it had the marinara sauce in it because it would have tasted better, or else I don't know, some more. It needs something. It's not bad at all. Like if you like non-spicy pizzas, a bit subtle flavors of just the cheese, then you will definitely enjoy this. But yeah, I would like my pizza to have a good marinara sauce on it. Oops, quite nice. Now I'm gonna try out Vidur's mocktail. It's called Siris Ripper, I guess, and it's damn good. It's really nice, super refreshing. So far, our Sunday is going great. The view is so beautiful from here. We're enjoying the music and we're having our mocktails and we're having our food. It's going really good so far. मेरा एक बाल यहाँ से निकल आया है. But yeah, having a great experience. Our desserts are here. Vidur photos ले रहा है. So I'm going to show you till then what it is. This is the orange flawless cake. This is the carrot verine. That's the hazelnut praline. Then we have the selva negara, and then the Belgian chocolate pastry, and the apricot satchel. So very cute, small, bite-sized pastries that Vidur and I will both share. And it's the first time we've ever sat at a brunch for so long. It's almost like 3:30 or so, and we're having a stunning view of the water, literally shining in the sun. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. अभी हम आपको सारे desserts खाकर बताएंगे कि desserts कैसे थे. So let's eat all the desserts. We have 6 desserts in front of us. मैंने आपको सबके नाम already बता दिए. So we are just going to like rate each of them. I'm not a fan of orange, so 3.
It's very dry.
It's not dry really, but
I felt it's not going easily to the throat.
I'd say a 3.
Yeah.
Let's have this.
Out of 5 we are doing, no?
Yeah, out of 5.
Okay, this looks apricot. This looks good. Yeah, interesting flavors.
The
3.5.
the next one you should try because I'm not a big fan of.
Belgian chocolate you don't like?
No, I'm not anything. Not a big fan of anything dark.
अच्छा है पर ये better है apricot वाले से.
But it's very dark for me. Very dark.
It's damn good. It's damn good.
The hazelnut.
I think this both of us will like because we both like Nutella and we love hazelnut.
I love hazelnut.
So. Hmm. 4.5.
I'm a fan of desserts which are a little sweet. उसका मतलब डेजर्ट का मतलब ही स्वीट होता है यार. कड़वा है और डेजर्ट नहीं होता वो.
This is also damn nice.
That's all I'm nice.
The
What is this called?
Selva Negara.
But what is this?
I also don't know what it is, guys. To be very honest. But जो भी है बहुत अच्छा है. मेरे को ये कुछ berry type, berry vanilla flavoring
तो
लग
पेरी का लग रहा है.
मुझे I don't know, it's giving me like a black forest vibes. है ना?
But it's very good. This I can eat more. Yeah. And this is the carrot.
Carrot verine. यहाँ का जो कैरेट केक मिलता है ओपिस में, ओ हो, so good.
It's also good. I like it.
It's got a bit of coconut in it.
It has coconut, and that's the next thing I was going to say.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of coconut.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the Selva Negara and the hazelnut praline. What about you?
I like the carrot, whatever it's called, and and the hazelnut. Yeah, hazelnut and carrot are my two top favorites, and my least will be
The orange one.
the orange and the black currant. Whatever.
Belgian dark chocolate.
The Belgium dark chocolate, yeah, whatever it's called.
We are done with air now. The rest of the review थोड़ा बहुत हम कार में बात करेंगे. पता नहीं ये वीडियो में हम कितना डाल भी पाएंगे because there will be a lot of I don't know copyright strikes or what. So the rest of the review we'll give in the car. So we have left the place and I'm reporting back at 4:30 p.m. We
What time
sat
did we go?
at the brunch for I think at least 3 hours. 1 बजे तो पहुंचे ही होंगे हम around 1. Yeah, so we sat for like 3 hours. We never really sit at brunches for that long. But the experience was really good. It's perfect if you want a romantic brunch experience. The view was amazing. The food was great. The best part about this brunch is you don't end up wasting any food, and you know they have a lot of options to pick from, something for every palate basically. And सारा खाना टेबल पे आता है तो हिलना नहीं पड़ता. You can just order and they get you small portions so you can try, taste and just order what you like. Call second portions of whatever you like. The mocktails were really good. There was one that we particularly enjoyed and had 3 rounds of. It was called the Citrus Sipper and it was really good. And how much is this brunch priced at, Vidur?
7,500, which includes the food and the alcohol. Not only alcohol when it comes to cocktails and mocktails, cocktails, even the straight drinks. That includes whiskey, gin, tequila, मतलब vodka.
सब कुछ है
whatever,
basically.
whatever,
Wine वगैरह
सब
सब
कुछ.
कुछ है. So if that's something you want, it is a boozy brunch. So if that's something you guys enjoy,
And
then you
great music.
should definitely come. The music is great. It's not too loud. We could have a conversation, unlike a place that we went to last night where we couldn't speak to each other. So yeah, we had a great time. The view was amazing. So if you guys are looking for a new and not new, if you guys are looking for a nice brunch spot, then definitely come to Air. And thank you so much for watching this video. Keep following us on Godwin John and Mansi Oswal on YouTube. Now let's just hello.
Hello.